Namaskar.
Today we will recite a poem.
Whenever I see others taller than me, I feel that I am small. And I wish I were tall. Whenever I see someone overtakes me, I wish my legs were longer to carry me faster. Whenever I hear, oh, your French is such a dear, I feel like asking why. And it makes me cry. Then comes my mother who says, don't bother. I love you, my dear. The words I am happy to hear. Thank